Your next car could be the 2021 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Here's an elegant, high-performing Camry that infuses every drive with confidence and distinctive style. It offers a host of standard-setting features, all backed by Toyota's excellent reputation for quality and reliability. From its suite of smart safety tech, to its spacious, luxurious interior, to its muscular power, to its chiseled lines, this sedan will exceed your expectations. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, lane keeping assist, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control. Aggressively seductive, solidly practical. We can't wait to introduce you to this exquisite Camry. Come in today and let our knowledgeable staff put you in the driver's seat.